Am I the only one who didn't know that lions are the only cats that live in groups? Yep, they're social felines. Stay tuned for more surprising lion facts. Lions are not just the kings of the jungle, they are fascinating creatures with some pretty incredible traits. For instance, a lion's night vision is 6 times better than that of a human. That's how they reign supreme in the dark of the savannah. And speaking of their prowess, did you know that lions can run at speeds of up to 50 miles per hour? But here's the catch, they can only keep this up for very short bursts. It's all about the element of surprise. Now get this, a lion's mane isn't just for show. The darker the mane, the more powerful and healthy the lion, it's like their own natural warrior helmet. Lastly, lions sleep for about 20 hours a day. Yes, these fierce predators are also champion nappers. So did any of these facts surprise you? Hit the like button if they did, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing animal facts. Keep roaring, animal lovers!